Microsoft, and you got, SQQQ, you got QQQ, you got SH, you got SPXU. I mean, there's so many different tools to use. Sometimes it gets overwhelming where to focus your energy, but the biggest focus, what I'm trying to do every day, is keep things on my watch list, what I'm aligned on, what I want to invest in to trade today, and understand the charts and understanding the time that I'm doing the investments, and things take time. Also understanding that I need to take profit faster, quicker, be more disciplined, understand my weaknesses, understand my strengths, understanding the things I need to grow to be bigger and badder, things that's what I'm all becoming, who I want to be. So that's just the reality in my life. So this is a tribulation in my life. There's so many different companies that I've learned a lot about. The biggest miners like Barrick Gold or Newmont. You got Freeport McMoran, you got Vale, you got Nilsey. There's just so many wonderful companies that are just gonna prosper in the next 5 to 10 years, and I got my eyes set on them. I'm still in the game. I'm still in the game. So this is just and I have precious metals. So and I have cash reserves to stay the long game. So I'm not insolvent. So these are the things that I'm learning. I'm growing as a person. I always want to be the best, and just focus on the best companies, focus on the big names, not because they're necessarily more valued than another company, but because the big institutions and big money wants to put money into those companies, especially in our current environment. So understanding the psychology in the world, understanding the whole cycles. So there's a lot to cover. You're not going to learn everything from day one tomorrow in investing, and that's why for the last 4 years I've been following this information, and it's a lot of it's blown my mind. A lot of it's been scary. I mean, I was scared to do puts. I didn't want to do puts. I felt like it was a bad thing to do because it's a psychological thing. But it's you make money on the way down, make money on the way up. Don't matter. Just think like a robot and make money. And that's the thing. It's just it's a business. It's not about oh, I like that company. It's about, is that company making me money? If you're in business, are you going to continually stay with that business if it's losing you money? No. You're gonna cancel that contract because you're gonna find some company that can make you money. So that's the same thing you're trying to do with investing, is trying to find the strategies and the trading strategies and the patterns, and understanding when there's a setup, when to take advantage of that setup. Understanding that, okay, it may be early to get in the trade, but I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep watching it. And then I think I can get pretty close to that bottom. So those are the things that I try to do on a daily basis when I'm in the markets. And, it's the knowledge, the skill set of the cannabis markets is one thing that I'm insanely intelligent on, as far as understanding that I believe by 2043 cannabis will be $1 trillion industry. I mean, there's like things like if they turned us into robots or something like that, then it's probably not going to happen necessarily. But if the world's the same kind of population that we have right now, based on the same kind of set of steps, then we should get to $1 trillion in sales revenue in cannabis by 2043, based on compound interest. So Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this session learning a bit about me and my trials and tribulations in investing and trading, and how I intend to be a bigger and badder investor, work with my weaknesses and work with my strengths, make my strengths stronger, make my weaknesses my strengths. So I hope you gained a lot of valuable insight. Hit that thumbs up for CISG. Keep compounding your info, listen to my lingo, and shaka. Peace. I'm outie 45.